Once upon a time, deep in the heart of the Whispering Woods, there was a little village called Willow Glen. Every evening, you could hear the gentle rustling of leaves, the whispers of the trees, and sometimes the faintest tinkling of laughter carried on the breeze. The villagers were used to these magical sounds because Willow Glen was home to the kindest fairies in all the land. In a cozy little cottage at the edge of the woods lived a curious young girl named Lily. She had shimmering black hair and eyes that sparkled like stars. Lily loved exploring and discovering new things, and every day was an adventure for her. She was friends with every creature in the forest, from the chatty squirrels to the wise old owl who watched from his perch high in the oak tree. One bright sunny morning, as Lily wandered through the forest, she stumbled upon a peculiar path she had never noticed before. Her heart fluttered with excitement. What lies beyond this path? She wondered to herself. Mustering her courage, she decided to follow it. The trail wound and twisted deeper into the forest until it opened up to a small clearing. There, in the center, stood a magnificent tree with branches that shimmered like silver under the golden sunlight. Sitting at the base of the tree was a small fairy named Twinkle, her wings glistening in every color of the rainbow. "Hello there," Twinkle chirped with a friendly wave. "I see you've found the heart of the forest." Lily was amazed. "The heart of the forest?" she echoed. Twinkle nodded excitedly. "Yes, this tree holds the magic that keeps our forest alive and vibrant. But something is wrong. The magic isn't flowing as it should." With her adventurous spirit, Lily immediately offered to help. Twinkle explained that somewhere in the forest, a lost magical stone was hidden, and it was needed to restore the balance of magic. Together, Lily and Twinkle embarked on a quest, guided by a map full of riddles and clues that only Lily, with her keen eye and sharp mind, could solve. They crossed a babbling brook, swung over mossy logs, and tiptoed past a family of sleepy foxes nestled in their den. Finally, just as the sun began to dip below the horizon, they reached an ancient stone circle. In the very center lay a glowing emerald stone, pulsing with energy. Lily carefully picked it up, feeling its warmth in her hands. "We did it!" Twinkle cheered, fluttering around Lily in joy. They rushed back to the heart of the forest. With a touch, Lily placed the stone at the base of the shimmering tree. As if by magic, vibrant colors burst forth from the tree, spreading in waves across the forest. The air was filled with the melody of chirping birds and the soft fluttering of butterfly wings. The Whispering Woods had come alive, shimmering more beautifully than ever. From that day on, Lily was known in Willow Glen as the girl who helped save the forest. And every so often, when the wind blew just right, she could hear Twinkle's laughter mingling with the whispers of the trees, a reminder of their magical adventure and the friendship that bloomed amongst the leaves.